I'm here to answer some questions this afternoon from my honorable colleagues and some parents who really want to help their children. What is this question? How do I successfully teach my learner, my children, to read? Now remember, in reading, we look at steps. There are ages to it. So from age 2, what is the child supposed to know or supposed to learn? He start with letter sounds. Letter sound. What are those letters? I don't mean letter name. Letter name are A, B, C, D. I mean letter sound. The letter sounds that A, B, D, E goes on to Z, R to Z. So those letter sounds will be taught, helping them. When you finish teaching them the letter sound, then you introduce 2-letter words. The child might not necessarily be 2 years, so it could be 3 years. For the fact that you want to help the child to read, what are these things that this child should know? So your letter sound first, teach letter sounds, follow 2-letter blends, 2-letter words, N, F, S, art, and goes on. Remember, these words are blendable. I don't mean the tricky ones. First, teach the blended ones before you look at the tricky words. Okay, so after the 2-letter blend, you look at CVC words, the cat, mat. For those that might not understand, when we talk about CVC, we're talking about all those 3-letter words and so on. So you look at it, your bed, mat, rat, sat, cat, and all those ones. From there, you look at the diagraph. The diagraph are two-letter words coming together. Okay. U, E, E. Pardon me. E. So we have ch, sh, and it goes on. SH, CH, double O, E, double E. That's double E. Okay, we have IE and so on. These are the diagraph that you need to teach these young ones to helping them in reading. Now we talk about, from diagraph you look at consonant blend. What are the consonant blend? When you have 2 consonants together, BL, bl, FR, fr, CL, cl. So there are so many that you need to teach. Once they get this consonant blend, it will help. By the time you add the sound, it helps them in reading right. All right, so you come in with the tricky words. What I even mean by tricky words, tricky words are those words that cannot be sounded. They are not soundable. Okay, they are tricky word. THE, the, is a tricky word, and the other ones, she, of course, is a tricky word. Now we have, after tricky word, we now talk about spelling drill. All right, so let's go back. Letter sounds, 2-letter blend, CVC words, diagraph, consonant blend, tricky words, spelling drill. Thank you. Bye-bye.